My dear students, how are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a higher mathematics class for the student of class 9. For the students, our today's topic is exercise 2, question number 10, sub question number 2. Okay, that means we will solve only one problem today. Your lecture number is 41 for the half yearly examination. You have a homework. Your homework number is 28. So let's start the solution. Okay, question number 10 is simplification. Okay, we need to simplify one question today. 10 number activity 2. Okay, let's simplify this one. We need to simplify this question. Okay, so to solve this one, my dear students, first of all write down given expression. Given expression is a plus b whole square minus ab divided by b minus c into a minus c plus b plus c whole square minus bc divided by c minus a into b minus a plus c plus a whole square minus ca divided by a minus b into c minus b. Okay, my dear students, we will form the formula of a plus b whole square in the numerator, and the second term we will form the formula b plus c whole square, and the third term will form the formula of c plus a whole square in the numerator, and in the denominator we will arrange in like this circle. The students, suppose this is a, it's b and it is c. Okay, a then b then comes c then comes a again, that means a b c then a. So like this we will arrange this one in the denominator. How we can arrange? B minus c is correct, b minus c, that means in this way it is going, b minus c, but a minus c is not correct because a minus c is anti-clockwise, this is clockwise, so it will be also be clockwise, that means we will make it c minus a. Okay, like this it is c minus a is in clockwise, so you should make this one also clockwise. It's b minus a, b minus a is anti-clockwise, we will make it a minus b. Like this we will arrange in the denominator. Okay, now that's equal to, we can write down a plus b whole square, that means the formula is a square plus twice ab plus b square. Okay, this is the formula of a plus b whole square, minus ab remain unchanged here, minus a b in the numerator. Now denominator will be what? Denominator will be b minus c into, we will write down c minus a. Now we have before a minus c, a minus c is anti-clockwise, but we will write down clockwise. Okay, it's c minus a, but if we write down c minus a, we need to take a minus sign before, because a minus c, my dear students, a minus c is here, so if we write down like this, is c is front, so c has minus sign, a has plus sign, but we need to make it c minus a, that's why we should take a minus as common, then it will be c minus a. So for this minus sign, it's a minus c is equal to minus c minus a, so a minus c equal to minus c minus a, that's why we will take a minus sign. Okay, to make it clockwise. After that we will write down the formula of b plus c whole square in the numerator of the second term. In the second term we have b plus c whole square, b plus c means b square, b plus c whole square means b square plus twice bc plus c square. This is the formula of b plus c whole square. Okay, minus bc is remain unchanged here, and denominator will be c minus a is clockwise, but b minus a is anti-clockwise, b minus a is anti-clockwise, we make it clockwise, a minus b. To make it a minus b, we will take a minus sign here, we will write down a minus b. Okay, like this we should write down the third one also, c plus a whole square means c square plus twice ca plus a square minus ca remain unchanged here. Okay, this is the formula, c square plus twice ca plus a square is the formula of c plus a whole square. In the denominator it's a minus b remain unchanged, and c minus b is anti-clockwise, we will write down b minus c, and we will write down a minus sign before. Okay, because c minus b is equal to minus b minus c. Now we will add the numerator. We will add the in the numerator terms. In the numerator we have twice AB and minus AB. From twice AB, if we subtract AB, then we will get only AB. Okay. From twice AB, we will subtract 1 AB. We will get AB plus B square. Okay. From 2, we will subtract 1. We will get 1. Okay. 1 AB. Like this, in the second term, we will have this minus BC and C minus A will remain unchanged here. Plus, in the second term, we will have twice BC minus BC. That means only BC remain unchanged here. Okay, BC, B square plus BC plus C square. It's a simple addition, dear students. From twice BC, we will subtract BC. We will have BC only. Okay, and minus C minus A into A minus B remain unchanged here. Okay, like this, the third term. In the third term, it's C square plus twice CA plus A square. Sorry, it's twice C, it's not, it's CA, because we will subtract this CA from twice CA. We will have only one CA. Okay, and minus A minus B into B minus C remain unchanged in the denominator. Now we will add these three terms. We will add these three terms. To add addition to three terms, we will take the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of the denominator is what? Minus B minus C, C minus A, and A minus B will be our denominator, because this is the LCM of the three denominators. Okay, our denominators is minus B minus C, C minus A, minus C minus A, A minus B, and minus A minus B, B minus C. All the term is present here. Minus B minus C, minus B minus C, C minus A. Okay, and here is also minus is here, C minus A, and A minus B is here, and minus A minus B minus A minus B into B minus C. It's B minus C is present here. So this is the LCM of this three denominator. Now to the formula of addition, we know that we will divide this denominator, divide this LCM by this first term's denominator. Okay, so if we divide this denominator of the first term denominator, we will have only remaining A minus B here. Okay, this one will be cut down and A minus B remain here only. So A minus B is multiplied with the numerator. It's A square plus AB plus B square. Like this, for the second term, we should divide this LCM by the denominator of the second term. Okay, we will cut down then C minus A and A minus B and the minus sign. So it remain here only B minus C, B minus C, and B minus C will be multiplied with the numerator. It's B square plus BC plus C square. Okay, and the third term here, for the third term, minus sign, A minus B and B minus C will be removed. So only C minus A will be here. Okay, C minus A will be multiplied with the numerator C square plus CA plus A square. I hope you have understood. Okay, now we will make the formula of A cube minus B cube. In the top we have, in the numerator we have A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. We know that the formula of A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So we can write down A cube minus B cube in the place of A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square, and in the place of B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square, we can write down in the place of this one B cube minus C cube, the formula, and in the place of C minus A into C square plus CA plus A square, we can write down C cube minus B cube. Okay, this are the formula. Sorry, C cube minus A cube. We will have A cube. Okay, and in the denominator it's remain unchanged here, B minus C into C minus A into A minus B. Now, but students, look very carefully. We will do the addition and subtraction in the numerator. It's plus A cube, it's minus A cube. So this two will be omitted. Okay, it's minus B cube and it's plus b cube, so this to also be omitted, and it's minus c cube, it's plus c cube, so this to also be omitted. In the numerator all the terms are omitted, so we will have 0 in the numerator, okay, and denominator remain unchanged is minus b minus c, c minus a minus b is our numerator, sorry, our denominator. So 0 divided by something, we know that if we divide 0 by some number we will get back 0 again, so this one equal to 0. That means the simplification result is 0 for the question number 10's activity 2. Okay, I hope dear students you have understood the solution, how to solve it. Now dear students, you should do the SW number 28 in your assigned SW copy. The SW is exercise number 2, it's question number 10 activity 1. You should solve it here in your SW copy, and you can submit the SW copy in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.